Hey everyone, I am Lish. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special look for you. It is this St. Patrick's Day look. It is an extra special look because I am collaborating with Cassie S here on YouTube and Cassie_S83 on Instagram. She is one of my favorite YouTubers, so I'm very honored to be doing this with her. If you want to see her look, please be sure to click the link below. But today I'm going to be showing you how to get this fun St. Patrick's Day look. If this is something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and we are jumping into that look right now. Okay, so the first thing that you always do is prime your eyelids. So I used a mattifying primer, I used concealer, and then I set that all with powder. Now we're gonna go in with our first shade, which is this one right here, Unity, from the ABH Prism palette. Take a big fluffy brush, dip that in, and then make that our transition color. Now this palette, I believe, has been discontinued. Last time I looked, it was still available on the ABH website. So if it's still there, you could definitely go and check it out. I heard it was limited edition. I don't know if it's going to be restocked, but there are colors similar to this in the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. Now we're just taking a little Morphe brush, and then I'm just going to go in with Eden and mix that with a little bit of Lure, and it's all just being focused in the crease area. I forgot, I also want to lay my tape down because of the wing we're going to create later. Now we're just going to take a little bit of this brown shade, Parallel, and just sort of put that on the outer third of the crease. I'm not even bringing it down onto the lower part of the eye because we're going to cover all of that with liner in a few minutes. So we're just adding that and blending it out. We want a little bit of neutral color to offset the gold and the green that we're going to be using. And then blend that with the fluffy brush. Just make everything a really smooth transition. And now it's time for our gold shade. So we're gonna take Pyramid down here, take a tiny little packing brush, and really get your brush into it. Get a good healthy coating of product before you finally spray your brush to make it stick and really make it pop. And just pack that onto the lid. I can go pretty far over actually. We just want to make sure that it covers the lid and that it's really saturated. So we go back in and we add a little more. Same steps as before. Alright, and I like how vibrant that is. So now we're going to move on to liner. And instead of traditional eyeliner, what we're going to do is use a liquid lipstick. But we're using a green liquid lipstick because St. Patrick's Day. And also, why not use something in new and creative ways? So we're just taking an angled eyeliner brush and just painting the tip of the wand here. So that way we get the product on it. And we start painting. Now what I love about liquid lipstick as a liner is that it generally takes a little longer to dry. So if you don't get your lines precise right away, that's fine. You can just keep going until you've got it right. Plus, once it does dry down, it's going absolutely nowhere. We're just gonna take all of that right along the line of our eye And you want to keep the line as thin as possible. Now you might have noticed it actually got on my lower waterline. I liked how it turned out on this side, so I will be lining the rest of my inner waterline with this same color. And you just use a very light touch. Alright, and that is looking pretty good. So now we just remove the tape. Now we do the lower lash line. I really liked the idea of making the green and the gold pop with a bit of orange. So I use Saturn down on the lower eyelid with a very, very tiny brush. But I also feel like that kind of made it a little too orange. So now I'm gonna go in with a flat definer brush, and we're going in with Throne, which is this kind of green-black shade. And we are just gonna smudge that on the outer third of the lower eyelid, as close to the lash line as you can get. Right, so we're gonna tightline with the Alamasqua, I might be saying that wrong, eye crayon in the color Honor, so it's like a dark brown. And now we're gonna take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and this very bright green shade here, and we're just gonna put a little bit of that on the inner corner. And also Sphere from the Prism palette. And there we go, just a little bit right there, and it adds so much. I also realized that I forgot to put anything on my inner corners or even in my brow bone. So we are gonna go in with the shade Lucid, again from the Prism palette. All right, and now I think we're ready for mascara. And mascara is on, so technically this could be the finished look with just that little pop of green in the eyeliner and the gold on the eyelid, but I want to go a little bit further, so I'm going to take some NYX glitter primer and some loose glitter, also by NYX in the shade Emerald, and I think I just kind of want to do a little bit of glitter like by the eyeliner, but on the cheeks. And there we have it. Glitter on it. I feel complete, actually. I really like this. It's fun, it was easy to do, and I don't usually put glitter on my cheeks or lipstick on my eyes. So that's fun and different, and I am eternally grateful to Cassie for doing this collab with me because I loved it, and I always love collabing with her. She is one of my favorite people. This is the final look. So if you enjoyed this video, you found it helpful, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that way you never miss an update. Let me know what you are doing for St. Patrick's Day, and be sure to follow me on Instagram and like my official Facebook page. I hope you have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day, have a wonderful week, a wonderful weekend, and as always, stay fabulous.